Ebe anyị na-ege ntị, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Anyị sị na ya dịrị unu na mma n'ụbọchị nke taa. Ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi gbara ọkpụrụkpụ gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị ana gbasịta maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community. Dịka o si dị, dịka anyị si gwa unu na anyị ga na-agba mbọ ịchọpụtara unu ya bụ ihe zoro ezo gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a. Ihe a wetara unu ụbọchị nke taa bụ gbasịta maka nnukwu ihe na-eme na mba ụwa ana gbasịta maka ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwugasị dị iche iche. Anyị ga-achọkwa unu gee ya bụ ife. Dịka o si dị, ya bụ ife ọ wụgasị ajụjụ ajụgasị Biafran Prime Minister ana gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo, and mma chọkwa unu gee ya bụ ife. Unu ga-esia ya, unu adrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị on the comment section below. Ọzọ dị ibu ya bụ, cheta na ya bụ Igbo Media ka si na-ewetara unu ozi a. All right, over to you, sir.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Thank you, our Prime Minister.
Please, I have just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
We're going to take just 2 questions. Please, I would like to raise your hand.
I'm here.
Please bring up your question.
The question I wanted to ask had just been asked by the last speaker. But on that note, I'm just going to ask a further question now, please. Fighting this battle is not easy. It needs more finance than anyone thinks. Ukraine every day cries out loud, begging America and the world for more funds, despite being a sovereign country that generates money. Please, I want to ask, what are we doing to generate more money aside fundraising? We need more means of getting money to fight this battle. We need more gadgets and every other thing. That's just, if we're not doing anything to get money from any other source, please, we have to. If I have my way of contributing more, I will always do so. Thank you.
That is why you answered that your question. There is no any limited way of getting money to fight for your freedom. Just like you mentioned that Ukraine is running around for money as even as an independent country for years. So we don't have any limited way, or not our first source of fund is not limited to fundraising. But if you as a Biafran have any means that you feel could help the government to raise fund apart from the fundraising, come forward and we will listen to you and take your ideas. So this is open for everybody. Anything you know that could bring money for this particular fight, and make sure that we sustain this fight, have every sophisticated weapon we need, not just money. If you have access to those who can supply us with arms and ammunition, come forward. It's not limited to fundraising. You understand? Thank you.
Thank you, PM. Thank you, sir. And this is very important because if Biafrans that are listening right now, within 10 days, we have over 2 million Biafrans that have voted. If all these people that have voted are contributing, even if it is $5 or $10 a month, just a month for this Biafra movement, we may not even be calling for fundraising as often as we're doing. Just a month, you sacrifice $5. 2 million of you that have voted a month, $5 of your money. You see that if Nigeria will be crying every day. Please, we're going to give the microphone very quickly to you. One name, Simon EKPA. Please let your question come and make it count. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk. About to be one of Biafra in a Canadian. Actually, in Igbo. Yemen, US Igbo, because actually Igbo, because we didn't know. This vote to Atro, but the first vote to be one of my family and my friends and other people, and make sure that people every day 10 people na from my camp. So yeah, first vote to NATO since then mom, and they had the obedience. After more, you Ebola batu bie ebo chuku I fulanya ụmụ Biafra fulanya mụ abi ya fulanya because of the reason ihe na-emelu ụmụ ogbenye ụmụ Igbo mee our future the blight ọ na-adị clear then wee na-asị ka nkene gị rie nne and maka ihe ọma ị na-emere anyị na-asị Chukwu ya na-agba gị ume, Chukwu oke abịa ma ga-edebe gị ndụ efe ụmụ gị wee na-ekwu onwe nwanne eme mmadụ ya kpabọkụ reason bụ n'afọ mụ ihe niile a na-efolo gị from YouTube since 2019 ihe ọbụla ị na-ekwu ọ dị very straightforward and accurate. Ọgụ a bụ man of the afọ a na-etu mmụọ ụba anyị ka m na-etu gị. Ọgụ a bụ Chukwu efere anya sị ka nkene gị ọfụma, ị ga-adị ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, a ga-atụghasị okpesi fee gị efe. Daalụ rie nne wee na-ekene ndị niile so gị alụ ọrụ ma PA gị sọsesi ma ha ncha ma ndị niile ministers ndị niile tiesi n'ọrụ kene unu gị nne Chukwu ka abịa mana na bụ ume. Daalụ.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that kind and lovely word, encouragement, and to the name. And I wish you, very well as you await your new born baby. We will continue to demand the withdrawal of the Nigeria terrorist troops from Biafra land, as it has been proven beyond reasonable doubt their involvement in terrorism and insecurity in our land. Government that uses force to support its rule will always teach the oppressed to use force to oppose it. That is the principle of the Biafra people and Biafra government. And this principle is the principle that is going to lead us to our freedom. Nigeria government has used force to support its rules. They killed their own citizens, killed protesters, and therefore they have also taught us how to oppose them with force. And that particular force is what led to the unveiling and creation of the Biafra Liberation Army, Resistance Fighters, Navy, and Air Force. My fellow Biafra, I want you all to pay attention to our social media handle X, where the information update about the security situation, the ongoing battle to get rid of our land, the Nigeria Terrorist Army, as they are happening. I want you all to follow this X page so you don't left behind. You don't stay that stay in that while this defense of Biafra is ongoing in a new dimension. I want to thank you very much, the journalists that are here. Please, when you are writing, remember to write and have human conscience. Know that whatever you do, you shall pay for it one day. Those of you who come here as a journalist, listen and you twist everything in order to sell the agenda and say the narrative of the oppressors, you shall one day face your God in judgment. From here, from me, good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Batovie.
Thank you. Thank you, PM. Thank you very much.
daalụ nne na ụmụ ife kunu si were esonyere anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media. Ọ bụ na ịmahọ Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi, nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka obodo anyị bụ ana Igbo and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dịka ya bụ ikpe ya si aga n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe. Unu afụgodo ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwuru. Or say after meeting with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, we go into the will resolve that the Biafran Republic government in exile will now take full responsibility of the legal team to effect from today, 8 February 2024. All right. Una anugo ya. So I egosikwa Twitter and ya kono fuku ya. Mana gị ma na ya bụ Igbo Media ka isi were wetere n'ozi a. Asọ ya nọrọ si megini ya kọrọ nwanne ya. Ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.